crazy, ain't it? I don't know who took the photo.
There was a pink Lamborghini and none of us saw it.
Yes, 100%. I heard it. He revved it.
In all fairness, I wasn't even here.
He came and talked to me. Like,
You failed us.
100% failed. 100%.
But he's bringing it back today.
Yes.
Okay.
In 15 minutes, accordingly.
What?
Potential murder weapon.
Oh my.
Why are you scared? Why is everybody running? How many mechanics does it take to put a tire rack together? At least like 8.
Should have seen this yesterday.
Where the hell did you come from?
It broke.
You were just here.
Yeah.
Poof, and he's back. Like, just walked in. Brought a Honda to a BMW shop.
Sorry, he followed me here.
That works too. Sorry.
Look at your BMW.
Yes, I know. I took one piece of crap out of it, and I'm going to put something else in it that's still going to be unreliable. But it's going to sound cooler.
What's the story with the white car? Runs.
Oh, the white car's just total effed.
What about your Matt bought an M5?
No, I stated I bought a broken M5. It's in the title. I didn't break it. It came broken. I broke this one, and I broke that one. Full sent that one, just didn't even mean to, but yeah, it went kaboom. And then Steven over here.
I live here.
You know, he went from a BMW back to a Honda, and he still can't stay out of the shop.
Hold on. Why did he go to the Honda? Steven, can you explain? Why did you buy a Honda? What happened to your BMW?
It broke.
Yeah. Wow.
That's what keeps us in business, though. Broken BMWs.
Oh, there's a purple Mercy outside. You should go look at that.
It's so like.
Ooh.
I'm pretty happy with it.
I hadn't even seen it in black, so I had no idea that you wrapped it.
You weren't here yesterday or whenever I came by before.
See, I didn't know at all. You came inside and everything.
Yeah, Cam came outside and got in it.
I heard you pull up. I knew you were in it, but I didn't realize it changed color.
Quite a car.
Thank you.
So it's still mildly quiet.
But the problem is with these cars, if you delete the cats, like there's a chance like it'll catch fire at a stoplight.
Oof.
Because like the flames just come out of these, also just burn the whole back of the car over.
Yeah.
Half of these have been burned down.
That sounds sketch.
So I was like, it's loud and it's good enough for me.
Trying
It'll
to
be
kill
really loud
everybody.
in here.
Oh.
That sounds even better.
Oh man. That's amazing.
Is it considered pink or purple?
It's called Fierce Fuchsia.
That sounds awesome.
Oh, thank you.
What made you go with pink?
Dude, honestly, my daughter picked it out.
That's a good answer.
I gave her like 5 colors to choose from. It was like this, like kind of like a Merlin purple, like a blue Cynthius, and like highlighter yellow.
Yeah.
And this color, or hot pink.
Gotcha.
And she chose this one, which
It's a
I'm a
good
fan.
color.
It's such a good color.
So nice.